Hello, good morning.
Hi, good morning to you.
Okay, this is the speaking test level 1 organized by Impel taking place on 8th February 2025. The candidate name is Mahanur Kamal and the examiner is Imam Hussain. In this level, I'm going to ask you some questions about yourself and your family. Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Okay, what's your full name?
My full name is Manu Kamal Arpa.
Okay, what should I call you?
You can call me Manu.
Okay, Mahanur, how old are you?
I am 13 years old.
Okay, what's your birthday?
My birthday is 22 June.
Okay, where are you from?
I am from Kozhikode.
What's your father's name?
My father's name is Kamaluddin.
What does he do?
He is a head teacher in Silunia Union Uch Vidyalaya.
Okay, what's your mother's name?
My mother's name is Premoriam.
What does she do?
She is a teacher in Tabarkulla Memorial Academy.
Okay, do you love your parents?
Yes, I love my parents.
Okay, who is your favorite teacher?
My favorite teacher is Imam Hussain.
Okay, tell 3 lines about this picture.
It's a book. The
Okay,
color of the book is red. It's pink.
okay, thank you.